Hello, this is Claudia from Heartmate.es, and in this quick tutorial I want to teach you how you can add external links to your WordPress menu. So I'm here in my WordPress dashboard, and what you want to do is scroll down on the left in this menu until you see Appearance and you go to Menus. So once we are inside Menus, we want to add an external link, right? So here we have all the pages, the posts, the listings, everything we have inside our WordPress website. But since we want to link to some website external, let me use Instagram as an example. So if I want to add my Instagram link, I will come to my Instagram URL, select it all and copy it. And then I'm gonna come back here to the WordPress menu and I'm gonna find this option that says custom links. So once you open it, you want here in the URL, select all this, delete it and paste what you just copied, and make sure at the beginning you have the HTTP, so it's the complete URL. And then here under link text, you want to write the text that you want to display in your menu. So in this case, it's going to be Instagram. Now all we need to do is press add to menu, and this will automatically be added to our menu. And remember that you can move things around just simply dragging and dropping it. So imagine I want it to be at the very beginning of my menu. I'm going to press now Save Menu, and I'm going to show you how this is looking on the front end. So let's visit my website, and here in the beginning we have Instagram. So once we click here, it will open my Instagram. Isn't it easy? I hope you found it super helpful, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.